Deuteronomy chapter 28 verse 9. The Lord will establish a holy nation in you if you keep my commandments and if you walk in my ways. It is very clear that God has planned for a true church, that the purpose, the goal of a true church is that every member has the opportunity, has the avenue to become holy. Yes, even in the New Testament, in the book of Revelation, chapter 22 verse 21, may the grace of our Lord Jesus Christ be with us all, His God's holy people. So holiness is the purpose, spirituality is the purpose, goal of a true church, not religion. Because religion has a lot of isms. Number one is materialism. Look at the churches in the world right now. They keep on building huge buildings to show off that they are the true church, that God blessed them. No, that is not. That proves only of the worldly things, and not divine, not godly things. And that is our challenge, and to follow, to listen to our Lord, our God, that He wants us all to become holy. Our goal is spirituality, that will become closer to God every day. And we can do that without talking about money. We can use our own money to extend help to the needy. That's one way of becoming closer to God. But it doesn't have to build churches. And